Alright, so this is the third video. We changed the texture for the HD, for the LOD level 1, and we will have to change the texture for the LOD level 2, which is a bit trickier to select, but it's doable. If it's not clear what's going on, let me zoom in a little bit in here. Where are you? Like that. So this is the area we're looking for. So we are now pretty far away, but we can easily tell that the texture is not changed. So we're going to be doing that now. So zoom in right before after the changes. Find your drawable. Again, we're using selection entity. That's not the one we're looking for. And this is the one we're looking for. So it's going to be looks like this one is embedded. So let's go to this name. Search for it. Yeah, this dictionary has has images for multiple billboards. All right. Just to clean up the area a little bit, we're gonna deleting every single file that we previously used, and right click, export XML. Okay, so this is the one we're looking for. Control X, Control V, where the converter is. Drag and drop into PNG. Select delete the DDS. Right click the PNG. Open with Paint. Then once again we're gonna destroy it. Save and close. Drag and drop the PNG into BC1. Delete the PNG. Select the DDS, Control X, Control V, back into the folder. Up one folder so we can see the XML. Drag and drop into the RPF Explorer. Double check that this is actually changed. It is. And once again, drag and drop the YDD into the stream folder next to the other files. So we now have a total of 3 files. Restart your server. And start 5. Take the location. HD, LOD1, and LOD2. That's it. Thanks for watching. That's the whole tutorial.